Hey loves, in today's video, I am reviewing the Glamlite Chocolate Donut Eyeshadow and Highlighter Palette.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all.
I purchased the Chocolate Donut Palette from the Glamlite website for $22. I love the packaging of this palette. It is so fun. It is a cute chocolate donut with brightly colored sprinkles. This palette includes 9 intensely pigmented nude shades based on the most popular and delicious types of chocolate donuts. It also includes an oversized chocolate glazed highlighter. I am starting off this eye makeup by placing Eclair directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the Energy 125. I am blending Sweet Filling right above Eclair using the Coastal Scents Detailed Crease Brush. Using my Nicka K round eyeshadow brush, I am placing the shade Double Chocolate on the outer third of my lid. I am placing Sweet Tooth on the remainder of my lid using the Aloe E113. With that same brush, I am now placing chocolate sprinkles on top of Sweet Tooth. I am using the LA Colors Contour Stick in the highlighter shade for my brow bone highlight. The mascara I am using is the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara. I applied the Eylure Vegas Nay Bronze Beauty Faux Mink Lash. Now with my Energy 111, I am blending Chocolicious onto my lower lash line. On my waterline, I am using the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in brown. To complete my chocolate donut eye makeup, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with white chocolate using my BH Cosmetics V9. For blush, I went with the AOA Studio Hush Cream Blush in the shade Demure. It is a really pretty deep orange terracotta, and I thought that it complemented the brown shades in this palette very well. Now I am applying the chocolate glazed highlighter, and it is beautiful. It has a wet-like sheen finish. I loved applying it, and it was so reflective. Very pretty. The L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade 856 is the perfect color for this makeup look. This makeup is so pretty. The Glamlite Chocolate Donut is a perfect everyday palette. From the beautiful selection of browns and golds to the buttery smoothness of how they apply, this palette has easily become one of my favorites. And the chocolate glazed highlight is so gorgeous. I love how it applied. It was so smooth and the finish is amazing. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create this look. Also, I would love it if you could leave me a comment down below telling me what you think of this makeup look. And until next time, bye loves!